Hello guys, I am Sagar Sonone and today I am going to discuss about eukaryotic cell. What is a eukaryotic cell, what is the functions and the structures of the eukaryotic cell, and some facts about the eukaryotic cell. Okay, so first of the eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell can contain membrane-bound structure is the basis for the multicellular organism. Okay, so according to this we can understand the eukaryotic cell is a multicellular. Okay, so including animal and plants and human are the examples of the eukaryotic cell. Okay, eukaryotic cell contain several member bound structures or the organelles which are specialized cellular subunits that carry out specific cellular functions. Okay, so nucleus is surrounded by the nuclear membrane called the nuclear envelope. Within uh, protein genetic material stored inside. Okay, so the nuclear envelope that function is the protect genetic material and their storage. Okay, so nuclear membrane contain cellular pores which are selectively allow only certain substances to pass through. Okay, so nuclear membrane can are the semi permeable. They can contain only uh, selective substances to pass into the inside. Okay, so then next is another membrane bound organelles is the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, means another organelles in the another membrane bound organelles is the endoplasmic reticulum which are present in the eukaryotic cell. Okay, there are the two types of the endoplasmic reticulum. First is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum and second is a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so rough endoplasmic reticulum extend from nuclear membrane and is covered with ribosomes and is location at the protein synthesis. Okay, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum is the main site lipid and steroid synthesis. Okay, then next is a Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is also organelles present in the in eukaryotic cell. Okay, so Golgi apparatus extend from the rough endoplasmic reticulum and is responsible for modifying and packaging of the protein into their final form. Okay, so another organelle within the eukaryotic cell which is important and their role is important, that is a mitochondria. Okay, mitochondria where most of the energy are stored and produce the ATP. Okay, so there are additional organelles that are maybe present in the various eukaryotic cells. Okay, so each eukaryotic cell can be specialized certain different proportion of each organelles and type depending of its functions. Eukaryotic cell are the multicellular organism because in which membrane bound organelles can be present like Golgi apparatus, then also endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so size of the eukaryotic cell are more than 100 to 1000 times larger than the prokaryotic cells. Okay, and much more complex. DNA in the eukaryotic cell within the nucleus. Okay, so additionally DNA in the eukaryotic cell store in a double stranded chromosomes that can be condensed by the histone. DNA of eukaryotic cell has a proportionless coding and DNA and high amount of non-coding DNA compared to prokaryotic cell. The ribosomes in the eukaryotic cell are 80 years 40 years and 60 years subunit. All eukaryotic cell undergo more complicated process called as a mitosis. The example of eukaryotic cell is the plant, animal and human. So that is all about the eukaryotic cell, their functions, their organelles which are included in the eukaryotic cell, and all about informations about the eukaryotic cell.